Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mr. Tips channel. Do you often find that when it rains heavily, water from the roof spills everywhere, leaky gutters, loose connections? The house ends up muddy and even the walls can be damaged. Relax, don't panic yet. The first step is to measure the length of the roof with a tape measure on the zinc leaf side. Why is this important? Because if the size is wrong, the gutter pipe can be short or even long, so the water still runs over. With the right measurements, we can ensure that the gutter pipe fits the length of the roof so that the flow of rainwater is completely uninterrupted. Once we have the roof size, it's time to measure the pipe to be installed. It's easy. Just equalize the length of the pipe with the size results earlier. Don't forget to mark with a marker so that when you cut it later, the results are precise. If the size is right, the gutter pipe will be installed neatly without gaps, so rainwater can be directly channeled without leaking anywhere. Once marked, we now cut the pipe to size using a grinder. Be careful. Make sure the pieces are straight, following the marks so that the results are neat and easy when connected later. Now we adjust the cut to fit the hole in the zinc leaf. Make sure the position of the holes and pipes is just right so that rainwater can enter directly without spilling over the side. If there are parts that are not neat, we can trim a little more with a cutter or sandpaper. The point is, the connection must be tight and precise so that the gutters last longer and do not leak easily. When everything is ready, it's time to attach the pipes to the tin roof. Insert the end of the pipe into the adjusted hole, then make sure the position is really firm. Pay attention to the slope as well. If the pipe is slightly tilted downward, rainwater will flow smoothly without being blocked. In the next step, we first drill the top of the zinc on the side near the pipe. This small hole is useful for fastening, so that the pipe remains firmly attached to the roof. Once the holes are ready, insert the cable ties through the holes, then wrap them around the pipe. Pull firmly until it is completely tight. Cable ties function like a clamp, simple but effective in keeping the pipe stable despite the wind and heavy rain. The tighter the cable ties, the more durable and secure the gutters we install. When the ties are tight, don't forget to cut off the remaining ends of the cable ties. Cut as close to the fastener as possible so that there are no jutting parts. Besides making the installation look neat, this is also important so that there are no sharp edges that can interfere with or injure the hand when we tidy up the roof later. Next step, we put a cap on the end of the pipe. The function is so that rainwater is really directed to the path we want and does not come out carelessly from the end. When it rains heavily, the water immediately flows smoothly into the gutter pipe. No more splashing to the side, no leaking, and everything is organized. See how stable the water flow is, all going into the path that we have installed earlier. This means that the gutters are functioning optimally, and the house is safer from puddles and seepage. Hopefully these tips are useful and can be an inspiration for all friends at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next exciting video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.